Hello and thank you for joining. My name is Lois. I am the tech guy. In today's video, we are going to build a snack bar. So a snack bar is this little bar down here. You may have seen it. It says something like loading or received your information, etc., etc. So we're going to do this little thing where we create a little button and we press the button. It shows our little snack bar and you can press that to dismiss it. All right, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so first thing I'm going to delete all the code. Yay, so scary, right? So let's do our import material. And I know people are probably tired of all this. You could press fast forward. I know there's ways to do that now. I'll call it my snack bar, and there we go. And then close it, and then get the squiggly lines. And my IDE is gonna help me. It's gonna save me from the brink of insanity. Extends stateless widget, and let's do our override methods. Come on. Come on. Oh, what a good boy. All right, so we're going to return a material app. And my material app, the first thing I'm going to do is, there we go. And I'll talk about what that does in a second. Actually, you know what? Let me comment this out so that way we can do it later. So it has a title of, calm down. Title of snack bar demo, and then the home page is going to be a scaffold, and the scaffold is going to have an app bar, and the app bar is going to take a type of app bar, and we're going to give it a title, and the title is going to be a widget of text, type text, and I'm going to call it my snack bar. Now let's hot reload this and see if it breaks. Ah, look at that. I didn't break it. All right, so we got a nice little app bar up here with my snack bar and this annoying debug banner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and show you why I want to use this. Hot reload and bada bing, bada boom. All right, and before I keep going, just because I'm anal a little bit, I'm going to do center title, and true. Hot reload that, and there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so now we need a body, and the body is going to be let's call it custom snack bar widget. All right, so we're going to create a class or a widget here, and here we go, and it's going to extend and have all the beautiful flavors of a stateless widget. And with that, what do I need to do? I need to create my override, and it's going to return a center. And just to make sure everything is working, I'm going to give it a child of text to test it. Testing 1, 2, and 3, and hot reload. Look at we're kicking. We're alive a little bit here. All right, so let's make our button. Let's do that. Let's bring this down a little bit. So we're going to do a child. The child is going to be of type raised button, and the raised button is going to have a onPress property, and that's going to accept no parameters. And this is where we're actually going to create our snack bar variable that is going to be of type snack bar. Snack bar. Almost sounds like something delicious, you know, like something you want to eat. All right, so if I hold Control and press the space bar, I get all the parameters of a snack bar. The first thing we're going to touch is this thing called content, and it's going to return a widget of text, and we're going to say, yay, I was pressed. Beautiful. All right, so we have the content. Now we want to create a little button that dismisses it, and that's going to be of type action. And the action is going to have a type of snack bar action. And what's it going to do? We're going to do onPressed, and we're just going to return nothing for now. It's just going to dismiss it. So as part of this button right here, we're going to grab, so when we press the button on the onPress right here, when we press the button, it's going to grab the scaffold of get the context, and then it's going to show the snack bar. What snack bar? That snack bar. Now the problem is, and I always do this, I placed it in the wrong spot again. Always do it. One of the biggest challenges of Flutter is knowing where you're at. Probably more of a dart issue than anything else. Okay, so I think we have the basis for what we need. Obviously, this thing turned ugly. We'll fix that in a second. And I broke it. I don't know what I did wrong. What's going on here? It needs a label. A label. Press me. All right, now let's try it. Boom. Yay! Yay! I was pressed and press me, and it gets rid of it. All right, just because. Let's give this a child of text so I can say something. Press the button. Hot reload. Beautiful. Press me. Beautiful. And just as a bonus, let's give it some color. Colors.orange. Hot reload. There we go. Let's also give it a nice little shape. Rounded. Rounded rectangle border. And then here we're going to give it a border radius, which is going to be of type border radius. Dot circle, and then we'll give it a double. 20.0. And we're going to hot reload that, and look how beautiful that is. Let's see if it still works. Hopefully I didn't break it. Press me. Beautiful. All right, the last thing before I let you go. Sometimes you don't want to have to press this. You want to end programmatically. So what you could do in here in our SnackBar widget, you're going to come in here. I'm going to do it after the content, and I'm going to give it a property of duration, which is going to accept a widget of duration. And for this, you can enter, seconds, milliseconds, microdays, all that good stuff. So we're going to select seconds, and we're going to do 2 seconds just for fun. Hot reload, press the button, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's like a delay, right? Or maybe I count too fast. Let's try it again. 1, 2, there we go. All right. Thank you for watching. This has been my show, Louis the Tech Guy. If you like it, please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.